can you solve this before I do? Let's find out from here. Now we are given 2 on x exponent -3 equals to 8. All right. Now let's observe this. A on b all raised to -n is the same as b on a all raised to n. So let's observe this property carefully. Okay. Solution. So we have x on 2 all cube equals to 8. All right. Now from here, because of this, we have 3 here. Let's go ahead and change this one. But before that, we can say x on 2 all cube minus 8 equals to 0. Now let's go back to difference of cubes. A cube minus b cube is simply a minus b. Then we have a squared plus the product of a and b plus b squared. Now let's change this one. Okay, x on 2 minus 2 to the power of 3 equals to 0. Now we want all the solutions to this problem. Okay, be it complex or rare, we want all the solutions. So we shouldn't stick to only the rare part. Let's solve for all the 3 solutions. So this side will be x on 2 minus 2, and we have x on 2 all squared plus 2 times x on 2 plus 2 squared, which is 4. Okay, equal to 0. Now let's understand that a times b equal to 0. Okay, it means a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. That's the 0 product. Okay, so we can say that x on 2 minus 2, x on 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So that will be x on 2 equals to 2. So this one will multiply. That will be x equals to 4. Alright, so that's the first solution to the problem. Let's look for. So we have x on 2 all squared, x on 2 all squared plus. So this one will cancel this. I'll be left with x plus 4 equal to 0. And this side will be x squared on 4, x squared on 4 plus x plus 4 equal to 0. So let's multiply through by 4. So times 4 times 4 times 4, that will be x squared plus 4x plus 16 times 4, 0. That's that. Now let's complete the square of this. X squared plus 4x equals to minus 16. So let's take half of coefficient of x, that will be 2. And then we square the result and add both sides of the equation. Plus 2 squared minus 16. So we have this and that. So x plus 2 or squared, x plus 2 or squared. Then we have 4 minus 16. Okay, so this side will be minus 12. And you have x plus 2 or squared. Let's take square root on both sides. So this side will go x plus 2. That will be plus or minus. This one is the same as square root of 12 times square root of minus 1. So we have x equals to this one in. That will be minus 2 plus or minus. And we can write this one as 4 times 3. So square root of -1 from complex numbers will be I. So we have this minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 times square root of 3 times I. So this one is a perfect square. That will be 2. So x will be minus 2 plus or minus 2 with 3i. So these are the complex part of the question. We have two additional solutions. So the first one is 4. So x1 is 4. That is the real part. And then we have two complex solutions. Minus 2 plus 2 with 3i. Then we have the third solution. Minus 2 minus 2 with 3i. So these are the solutions to the question. Alright, subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this.